Jung and Peirce suggested by Jongsoo Park, Ph.D. Hi, I am Jongsoo Park, teaching the Bible and psychology, especially C.G. Jung's analytical psychology, at Gangnam University, South Korea. Today, I am going to introduce dream analysis based on Jung's psychology and Peirce's semiotics. The title of this lecture should be Jung and Peirce in Dreams. Although Peirce was not interested in psychology, including dream interpretations, Jung's idea on dream analysis can be helped by Peirce's semiotics. What is a dream? 1. A dream is like a mirror, which reflects myself. 2. A dream links between this world and that world. From the view of psychoanalysis, dreams link between consciousness and the unconscious. 3. A dream directs a concrete goal, which is individuation, self-realization. 4. A dream keeps balance between consciousness and the unconscious, which is called in Jung's psychology, compensation. Evolution of a dream. 1. First stage. A dream is composed of images, which means the language of dreams is images. Images implies symbols, thoughts, and emotions. Dreams actually use image language, which is also the language of the unconscious. 2. Second stage. A dream makes a story about the dreamer, by using images which are constellated according to psychological issues. 3. Third stage. When a story is made in order, it produces meanings. That is called lapis, philosopher's stone in alchemy. 4. Fourth stage. With the meanings out of dream analysis, the dreamer reflects oneself, which is not the self-criticism but the observations on oneself as he or she is. 5. Fifth stage. At last, through dream analysis we are going to grow, which finally lead us to the whole. At this moment, parts can share with the whole in one living being. Peirce's semiotics, 3 categories. 1. Icon is a kind of likeness, appeared in portraits. 2. Index is an object which makes a pair with a sign. Smoke directs the object, which causes a fire, smoking. 3. Symbol is the meaning which comes out of between the pair, sign and object. Peirce's semiotics. Peirce classified sign into 3 categories. 1. Sign. The role of sign is representing something. It is something interpretable. 2. Object. An object can be anything thinkable, a quality, or a rule. 3. Interpretant. Interpretant is a sign's meaning or ramification is formed into a kind of idea or effect. Jung's psychology based on Peirce's semiotics. Jung's idea can be explained from the view of Peirce's semiotics. 1. As a sign, Jung's psychology reveals the relationship between parts and the whole. 2. As an object, Jung's psychology directs the union of the opposites, consciousness and the unconscious. 3. As a symbol, the principle of Jung's psychology is the balance and harmony between consciousness and the unconscious. Semiotics and dreams. 1. While Peirce's semiotics deals with signs, dreams in most cases focus on the subject, the dreamer itself. 2. In semiotics, an object directs real beings. But dreams are interest in psychological or spiritual objects. From Jung's view, dreams are actually the productions out of the unconscious. 3. In Peirce's semiotics, the third type, interpretant reveals universal principles or natural laws. In dreams, however, in most cases, the third, the intermediate, represents dreamers' complexes or beliefs. 3 stages of dreams. This chart shows the developmental stages of dream analysis. 1. The first step is to find sign or subject is the first step. Subjects in dreams are found in 3 types. First type is the image which is projected from the subject, ego or dream ego. Second type is the image which is introjected from the outer object. First and second images come out of the complexes of the subject. Third type is the real image of the subject, in which self-reflection is realized. 2. The second step is to find an object. When subject meets the object, 3 types are revealed. The first type is the increase of quantity, which is a simple sum of the 2. I defines it as AB+. The second type is a qualifying entity which directs the desirable in quality. I defines it as AB. The third type is an organic system, which relates each other as it is. I defines it as AB itself. 3. The third step is to find the interpretant, the intermediate. The third between the sign, subject, and object can be divided into 3 types. The first type is the middle area, which can be background, common ground, or transcendental area. The second type is the medium or the intermediate, which links the sign, subject, and the object. The third type is the product which is made of the 2, the sign and the object. I call it a meaning, lapis, or philosophical stone, in alchemy. 3 categories of dreams. The first type is the iconic dreams. Most dreams, approximately 70–80%, are applied to this type. This type concentrates on the dreamer itself. The The second type is the indexical dreams. A little amount of dreams 10-15% are applied to the second type. The second type shows the relationship of more than two objects. The third type is the symbolical dreams, which appears in very rare cases, less than 5% in my opinion. The third type contains symbolical, mythological, or sacred, numinous characteristics. From now on, let me introduce the three types of dream in detail. Iconic dreams. 1. No relation. In most cases, the iconic dreams concentrate on the dreamer itself, rather than having relationship with others. It shows the dream's own sideness. 2. In the iconic dreams, very often the subject is projected to others. Identification occurs. 3. Iconic dreams reveals dreamer's identity or beliefs, which is often regarded as stubbornness. 4. In good aspects, iconic dreams reflects dreamer itself based upon self-observations. Indexical dreams. 1. Indexical dreams directs concrete goals. 2. In the indexical dreams, relationships are carried out in good harmony. 3. Conflict between two opposites occurs in the indexical dreams. 4. The indexical dreams show inconsistent paradox in related objects. Symbolical dreams. 1. Symbolical dreams are based on intuition, which covers the whole. 2. Symbolical dreams shows the nature of symbol, universality. 3. Symbols and dreams play their roles in the middle between the two opposite areas, which also have openness toward both sides. 4. Symbolical dreams, with spirituality, usually transcend this world. An example of dream analysis. Let me show one example of dream analysis. Although Jung did not apply the theory of semiotics to his analysis, Peirce's semiotics is very useful to interpret dreams. This dream was introduced by Jung himself in the book, Memories, Dreams, Reflections. The first class, sign, or subject, is Jung, who had to bend his head far back to see his woman patient. The second class, object, is the woman, who was sitting on balustrade of the castle. The third class, interpretant, is the barrier, which are depicted as a steep hill and castle. This dream shows the conflict between Jung and his woman patient, and also the disharmony between Jung's consciousness and his unconscious, so-called anima, from Th view of subjective interpretation.